Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to get into what to do when you start up your HP and then you get that fan error. Let's get into it. So to really fix this issue, I'm going to show you what I would do as a technician. I would get inside the computer and I would take the fan, I would uninstall it, and then I would use a blower. You can also use a hair dryer on cool or a can of compressed air, and I would clean the fan and I would clean the vent. Now granted, if you're nervous taking off the fan, you can also just clean it with it installed. So keep that in mind. Although this is a better way to do it, it's, you can do it either way. Now the fan is all clean and good to go and reinstalled, we're going to do what's called a hard reset. With your power cord unplugged and your battery still uninstalled, so there's no power in the system, you're going to hold down the power button for 30 seconds to a minute. The purpose of performing a hard reset is inside your computer there's recorded thermal values in the memory, and this will clear that, which sometimes, if your computer for some reason is getting stuck or having some sort of issue, now that the fan is clean and it has no thermal values recorded, it's more likely to clear the error. So we're going to go ahead and do that just to be extra sure and extra thorough, because your computer's already open, so now's the time to do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the fan, like so. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz, signing out.